We don't need no stinking soup kitchens.
Just by king, they're surrounded by trees everywhere. Yeah. Okay, but I'm instead of using the little one today, because I'm going to use 2 pans to cook faster and to cook more stuff. I'm checking out the Q's. I'm going to be using my Q's Max. Beautiful, 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 and I'm doing a lot of my cooking, man. I'm using the Q's Max. More powerful. I got two burners going. And that Delta, EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. Powerful, super powerful. It's only about $2,000, a little less than $2,000. Not a bad deal. I got 3 Deltas on one river, man. Plus generators. About ready. This Cruiser Max has a lot more control. You know, you can get into fine control with it versus this. But this was more expensive. This was about $30. So, but that's very handy for quick meals. I really love it. It's light, handy. This is bigger, a little bulkier. Hey, when I'm traveling, you'll notice that I drink more kombucha, and there's a reason for that, because I love the ginger ale. And sometimes I'm eating in restaurants, even, you know, Burger King, and my stomach doesn't always like it, so this always keeps your stomach doing well. Ginger, man, it's a miracle working, works miracles. Come in. Stuff tastes so good. Might try it with a little guacamole on it. I love the Cajun flavor. Cajun is so cool, man. Don't forget your kombucha, man. Yeah. Kombucha, baby. TT. When are you gonna hire me, man? Make your commercial. This stuff is absolutely amazingly delicious. All right, man. All done. Peace. Love, man.